Well, here we are still dealing with some rain today. We have Rob Elvington joining us now.
Our flood threat just not over just yet, Rob.
Yeah, just kind of hanging on right now for those areas east of I-65. You can see that flash flood watch still in effect through 7 o'clock this evening for those counties shaded in green, including Marshall, Jackson, and DeKalb counties. And that's where we expect most of the pop-up showers and storms today. Not a huge coverage, but still that chance. And of course, this is the same area that saw all that heavy rainfall going back to yesterday afternoon and evening, bringing all that flash flooding. And it's starting to warm up. You'll notice already 77 degrees in Guntersville, and that's a concern because that is just additional fuel heating to get some of those pop-up showers and storms going. You'll notice this one right here, kind of an early shower just starting to develop right now, and starting to see some of that developing even on our Toyota field camera looking off to the east towards Huntsville. On the way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network, where we've actually seen most of the sunshine so far this morning has been closer to Marshall, Jackson, and DeKalb counties. So that's where we're heating up the fastest right now. Still quite a bit of cloud cover off to the west. And if you look close enough, if we zoom in closer to Morgan, Marshall, and Madison County, seeing that first pop-up shower just developing in the last 5 to 10 minutes. This is just off to the northeast of Hartselle, just about to cross over the Limestone, even into the Madison County line. Just a stray shower at this point. But again, there is that threat for lightning and thunderstorms for all those areas east of I-65 today. Closer to Franklin County, Tennessee, we've been watching these developing over the last hour. These are slowly but surely moving to the northeast, and a lot of these develop, they rain themselves out, and then a new one forms. So that will continue to be the case for Franklin County over the next hour. Day planner for today, rain chances are still low, even for those areas east of I-65, about a 20% chance through 4, 5, and 6 o'clock, but maybe just enough rainfall to bring some additional flood issues to North Alabama. This is the rainfall forecast. This goes through 11:30 tonight, and you can see the green on the map. It's, again, right along I-65 and off to the east. Most areas, thankfully, not picking up any big rainfall totals, but still a chance for 1/10 of an inch, maybe even an isolated spot to 1/4 of an inch of rainfall. So here's future radar. This is 2 o'clock here this afternoon. Seeing a few spotty showers, even a few spotty thunderstorms. This particular forecast model keeps most of the activity just off to the east of Marshall and Madison counties. So that's great news. And we'll continue to see most of that activity slowly but surely getting pushed into Georgia here in the late night hours and into early Friday morning. Tomorrow, mostly dry conditions. We still have a 10% chance for a stray shower, but just about everyone should stay completely dry all the way through your Friday evening. And of course, just in time for Friday night football. Right at kickoff at 7 o'clock tomorrow evening for our game of the week, Hartselle at Muscle Shoals. Temperatures in the low 70s, leaving those rain chances off. It's probably going to be still wet in some those stands. You may want to bring that towel. And of course, for the running back, it's just going to be a sloppy field with all that heavy rainfall we've seen over the last few days. 7-day forecast, 78 for a high today, 81 for tomorrow. And look at the weekend after just some terrible conditions the last few days. Back up to the low 80s for your Saturday and Sunday. Mostly sunny skies, overnight lows in the low 60s, and staying right around the low 80s all the way through the middle of next week. That's about 5 to 10 degrees above normal for this time of the year. So unseasonably warm heading into that next week of October.